Hey guys, this is Miss Barr. I am here because I want to go over the new vocabulary words for the month of April. Um, I will be posting assignments that go with April's curriculum on Google Classroom. Feel free to do what you're able to. No pressing. Just do what you can and make sure you're safe and you're washing your hands. So let's go over these vocabulary words. So the first word is account, right? So Miss Barr has an account at a bank. I have several accounts that I pay for, but the type of account we're looking at is more like a bank account. An account with a bank is a place where you put your money to keep it safe or to hold it, right? So that you can spend it. And a lot of times you'll probably notice your mom and dads have those little cards that they use. Those cards are drawing money out of their bank account when they spend at the grocery store, but their bank account is where they keep money to keep it safe. So this word is account. Account. We'll let him read it. Okay. All right. The next word is bank. So a bank is a place where you put your money. And I guess I forgot to put the definition, but it's pretty self-explanatory. A bank is a place where you store things, right? You guys might have a piggy bank. You store your money or you keep your money in a piggy bank. Your mom and dad will have a bank that they take their money to or their money gets put into to store it for them and keep it safe so that people don't try to break in your house and steal your money. All right, the next word is budget plan. Okay, let's just look at the word budget. Budget means to make a plan of how you're going to spend your money. So if you guys have $5 in your piggy bank, $5 isn't a lot. Okay, I know. But you decide, well, I want to try to get a little gift for my sister or brother. Um, and I want to try to get something else little, like a candy bar for myself. You could say, well, maybe I'll plan $2 for the gift for my sister, a dollar for a candy bar, and I'll save the rest or whatever I don't use and keep that and save it for future. So that would be kind of a budget. And then you could go to the Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree's the only place you can get things for a really, uh, you know, cheap like that. So a budget. The next word is a check. Oh, your mom and dad don't use these very much. It's a piece of paper. It's a rectangular piece of paper that has your name on it, your bank number and everything. And it used to be what people used to pay for things when they were at the grocery store, shopping, buying various things. But a lot of people, we don't use checks nowadays so much. They use mostly what is called a debit card. Um, so that is the word check. Another definition for the word check is check under your bed for your shoes. But we're looking at the word check as though something that's used to pay for things. Earn. So the word earn. Oh, I bet some of you do chores to earn some money. Or maybe not. Maybe you earn an allowance by getting good grades. Or you earn money if you mow your neighbor's lawn, right? Obviously not right now. Miss Barr and a lot of your parents go to work each day so that they can earn money to pay for things. So earn. The next word is job. So a job is something people do to earn money. So you all have parents who go to work. That's their job, right? All of you, when you get older, will hopefully have a job that you like and you'll go work so you can get money. And that is a job, a place that you go To earn money. Money. Oh, how many of us like money? Money helps us to buy things that we want or need, right? So we need money to be able to buy food, to pay rent or our mortgage for our house, or to pay for our house, to buy clothes. Money. It's very important to have money. Safe. Okay? Safe means you're protected from danger, right? Usually your mom and dad keep you very safe at home, right? Away from danger. And right now, we're supposed to stay home and be safe so that we don't get hurt at all by this illness that's going around. So safe. The next word is save. Oh, some of you have those piggy banks again that you put money in rather than spending it. Like, let's say you want to save up to buy a new game, right? So you would put money aside or away so you could save that money so eventually you would have money to buy a new game or to buy a new book or a new movie or something else that you may want. Spend. Spend is to use money to buy things. Oh, a lot of you like to spend money. You like to go buy your games, your colors. You guys spend your tickets to buy rewards or treats on Fridays in my class. You trade those tickets in for an object. That's what spending is using money and trading it for something you want or need. All right, so now we're going to go over the sight words. We have quite a few sight words that I want you guys to practice. And if you can make some cards at home that you can flip through to practice these, that would be awesome. Also, if you go into your Vizzle account, this lesson is there so you can practice going through all of these words through Vizzle. So the first word is can. Okay? Can. The second word is out. Out. We are not supposed to go outside too much or out shopping. Up. 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 Up in the sky. It is cloudy today. Call. Call. Sometimes people call us and like to talk to us. I think that's fun when people call us. Okay? Name. We all have a name. My name is Miss Barr. What is your name? We all have a name that we go by. In. We are all supposed to stay in our houses. So we don't go out and get sick, or if we are sick, get other people sick. Put. Put away your laundry. I'm sure your parents have you put away your clothes after you do laundry sometimes. Or when they get home, they ask you to help put away the groceries. There's a lot of things that we can be asked to do to help with. Put. With. With. I am at home with my family. With. First. This is the first time since I've been a teacher that we have had school closed because of an illness. And I'm sure that's true for all of you. This is the first time since you've been in school that school has been closed for such a long time because of something that could make a lot of people sick. Open. Open the door only when you know who is behind it. Or do not open the door to strangers. Go get your mom and dad if there is a stranger there. Until. I cannot wait until we meet again. Face to face. Car. My car is sitting in my driveway, not doing anything because I have nowhere to go. Car. Use. You guys are using computers a lot more for school. You guys are using video games probably a lot more since you're home. Start. At the start of the school year, we did not know that the end of the school year would be like this. At the start of May, maybe we'll be back in school. Maybe, but we don't know. Does. Does anybody know when we will go back to school? Does a lion eat people? No, just kidding. Sorry. All right. Need. I need food. Some people may need toilet paper. Walk. We can walk outside as long as we stay away from other people, right? And then walk outside as long as we stay away from other people right now. I like to go for long walks with my little sister. All right, so that is all of our vocabulary words. Enjoy watching this video and going over it. I know I said some random sentences and stuff, but if you can log into Vizzle and go over this with your mom, dad, brothers, sisters, maybe make some note cards to practice, that would be awesome. All right, guys, have fun and stay safe.